Pastor Iheanyi dey here.
Okay, so now you make you control yourself.
And you know say time not the day for Pastor Iheanyi.
My darling.
So therefore every minute is very, very important. Every minute is very important.
Who is your love? My darling. My darling. Point out your love. You will point out who it is that you love.
Try.
My darling, my love.
Good evening and welcome to the night show for today.
I don't know where I go there.
Today is relationship day and the owner of Friday, aka Pastor Iheanyi Echiogo.
In other words, Friday owner.
In other words, Friday owner, aka Friday owner, aka Pastor, aka Takamasibi, aka Kandu, aka everything.
Kandu.
Pastor had the Kandu spirit.
Yes.
Yeah, it does have.
Yes. Thank you to all of una where they send all of una message. Friday is the last day when I go text your message to that number where Pastor Iheanyi give una.
And then
after today, hold on.
Till Monday.
Up until Monday.
All of them when they send text message to Pastor Iheanyi on our tribe. Pastor, I'm not sure he answer the one by one.
As much as I can. Yes, I answer as many people. Those people still they flash.
I'm not going to make hair for them.
It's a bad this thing. It's not good. They should not flash.
Even on times we don't want them, they will not flash.
Now those kind of ones they fail exam because read instruction first. I not go read instruction.
Send text. When I get time, I go reply.
Anyway, time not today for today. We'll enter the topic of today.
We just start show now.
We just start. Not true now. I know why. Time not always day when Pastor Iheanyi. Time not always day. You don't understand.
There's no time to waste time.
There's no time to check time before you know thing that happen and it don't. Then it goes in.
I don't know, but how that thing they happen?
I don't aware. 9 o'clock don't reach. Anyway, today our topic will be say we go chook mouth for inside down.
My darling.
Running 2 programs at the same time. Then are loving. Now I get them a bit.
Yes.
Running 2 programs. That's the name of the topic. Then are liking 2 people, aka liking 2 people. Running 2 program, aka liking 2 people.
Program.
Anyway, we'll go hand over properly and officially now to Pastor Iheanyi, aka the owner of Friday, aka.
First of all, you go ask yourself, what do you understand by...
No, I could now because the hand over to Pastor Iheanyi.
Why do I feel that you know the answer to those things?
Pastor will hand over to you.
All right, good evening. Nedu, this your attire not bad.
Pastor, you know, I don't tell you what happened. What happened to be say, I look the suit one wear. I can't imagine how I could take wear trouser, come wear shirt, come wear tie, come wear shoe, come wear jacket.
So, in other words, you were a very lazy man.
Okay. Just I be saying I'm middle list.
No.
Level.
And a Friday. And I say I beg, waiting the day. I beg.
All right, so Katim, welcome. Easy beats.
Holla.
Okay, yeah, make I do that, Nedu. Holla.
Yo.
All right, so today we will discuss running 2 program. But before we even enter the topic, we'll just give them baseline and we'll just feed them well. Say I don't know say it possible to day relationship. You like Kingsley Height, but you like David spending. All right, so
the same thing with Amaka, but you like.
So no, Amaka only feel like Amaka homeliness, but you like the way where Linda they submit.
Okay.
So sometimes when you deal with Linda, you go they look for Amaka. When you deal with Amaka, you go they look for Linda. So it be like say you know well, they run from pillar to post, and we go discuss them. So when person they like 2 people like that, waiting they happen, you know. So they happen. A lot of people they happen every day. Sometimes you get 2 friends and you don't know how to say which one be your best or which one be your second best because you like certain behavior in one and then prefer certain other things inside another person. But what they cause that thing predominantly now when you yourself they greedy. So you want everything. Listen, before we even enter them, there is no perfect person. If they find perfect person, you know one marry, you know one get relationship. Because marriage na two different people from two different backgrounds. Just because of that growth for two different backgrounds means saying na no go agree on everything. Just because of how you take grow and how she take grow, na no go ever agree on the same thing. But it just means say time suppose they make una begin understanding herself. So how is it possible say person they run two program? Somebody who I know, we been there between outside and here, been tell us say one time in they run two program. You know, in the like, you know, he there around from here to outside, saying get two program where in they run. And in those days of running two program, one of the dangers of running two program now, the capital intensivity of the program. Because you're going to maintain overhead for West Coast and you're going to maintain overhead for East Coast. And when you be, sometimes you go begin, you go notice in a serious work to they carry information, West Coast information and East Coast information go come, they mix once in a while. You can't make mistake, call Amaka, Anita. Then Amaka turn, say no, say you just not A, be the issue, no be, say that A, you know her name starts with A, but you just don't know how it take end, and you go explain yourself away.
So, see, yesterday, I tell you now, say, I tell you, say, I collect that money, I tell you now.
Yes, that's, I tell you. And say Anita, Amaka.
I tell you now.
Hey, now, you know, say, that girl why they help for school. Her name na Anita. Hey. So I've been just, hey, you know, and you say that true.
Another person now you
don't call another person's name. Now, women own 90 days, they're stronger with women than with men. You know me say men better pass women. It just means say they're stronger because of certain things where they easily attract, especially modern day women. You know, those days, it be like saying a character traits or leadership or manliness. Today, na spark or beard gang, you know. So they like boy where they dress well, but they like one or that scruffy one. And they don't know if you explain them. So they like them as he rough. Make your jeans, you know, make you know wash the jeans. Make you know comb hair.
Say you just get as you fit them.
Yes. Meanwhile, but when they want serious, they want person wear deck up. Well, be like, when they want good enough for evening. When they fool around, they want person wearing jeans don't fade. Wait, think about this for films, where the Don daughter gets person when they arrange for her to marry.
Yes.
And he like the guy, but the guy just too straight. Meanwhile, they can't get one other one where they ride horse. You know, where they wear Sancho's boots.
Rain, they always beat her.
Rain, they always beat her.
They stay for garage.
They always they for garage.
Basement.
And every time you go see and
they hit something.
Ah.
You know, anytime when they come and in turn, you go be like say the world stop and
please go blow your
blow your hair.
Chill, Telemundo. El Salvador.
All those things there. Now fantasy land, but you see, say it they happen. You like this one formal nature. And you like this one scruffy nature. So you want, you be like say you want the best of both worlds. But it no go happen like that. You know, you want make it day correct, and you want make it day raz. For instance, you want make the guy day very orderly, make it go school, make it day intelligent. But at the same time, you day vex, saying to go school, saying to intelligent, they make you feel like oh there. So you want one for corner, where you go they ride onto the small knowledge, where you they get from west side, you come meet east side, yapa, say look at this dullard, you know, that's why I love you because you're unintelligent. And then when reality sets, maybe one day you can't carry belly for Dume. And then intellectual day there. You can begin look for how to rope intellectual into the matter. So you go make you come do weekend for your house, make him come your house, you go just find way where at all if he hug you go catch him, say na him because na intelligent, na intellect. You go say, well, but we did not engage in any serious adult interaction. You say, no, you don't have to because you are cerebral. The way you talk, I've already received it. As you were speaking, I received something into my spirit.
You touched the hem of my garment.
So
You touched the hem of my spirit.
So when those unsettled behaviors happen, what they happen there? Be say now greed where they struggle with. You want. You be like say you want buffet, you want eba, want boiled egg and want obono, and then small beans inside the same plate. And once you do it like that, it no go work. 3 things they very rampant where they get this behavior. Number 1. They are insatiable once you catch yourself in that state, it means say neither of the two of them will satisfy you.
So these two people you they like, no one of them goes.
Eventually.
But you like two of them.
Check them now from secondary school, from class rep to sports captain to head boy. Which one you finally marry? Check them now from aerobics instructor to music teacher. Which one you marry? Now one off.
But not true. Why you be say you go see guy when the guy is single? Babes, and it didn't normal for guys. You go see babes when they date, hot babe, and normally for guys, they get. Most guys, what I don't know, they get at least 2 or 3 babes. This one then get them because of say man, now for marriage. This one they very very homely. If she come house now, she go clean everywhere, cook better food. But this girl, and they like carry her come on. She's very outspoken, very very intelligent. When she deal with my friends,
they move your market.
They move my market. This one, more clubbing. She know every club. When enter, when they say Linda, he go enter.
So different reason for different
reason for every.
So it be like say the person's schizophrenia wants companion, and you know say you know if you get 3 different companions for 3 different parts of your life. It means say, for instance, where woman say, now this boy where they always just make me club. Eventually, when she won't settle down, no be pursue one club she want to.
Yes.
Even guys, now they happen past. Women, if they hear me, if they club hard, when they want marry, you go down, as they follow you club, if they send text, say, should then get one Ogechi, where they level-headed, say next month, when they come, you go follow Ogechi talk. So it means, say, these things that just our psychological orientation, we no go ever be satisfied with wanting multiple things. Now, men go say, well, now so it's supposed to be. So one day, someone asked me, say the chop only one soup. I don't know where they go with this evil idea. You know. So I said, no, I like obono, I like vegetable, I like it. Said, so if I like different type soup, why I say making deal with one person? Now then he click. Say this guy know well. Say na double deeper, na quadruple deeper. He deep everywhere. And the truth be say, the day you go want wife, now then you can't get real psychological problem. Because all those various parts of you, you don't give them personality. You don't like this one for this her craze. You don't like it. So the day you want marry, you can't begin to try put everything into one person.
And you know we see that one person where
there's no one person where be all those things. And now there the problem they always there. Now then you can't begin to remember, say, somebody, I follow somebody talk recently and he talk saying like, say, somebody when he don't marry, but person when he like before he marry, they talk a lot. And he said the person when he marry, the person when they date before he marry, he like the way that one they follow him talk. Take this one when he don't marry, no, they talk correct. So what to make she do? And I say, see, if you don't define this thing, you go enter trouble. Because you like one because of improvisation, because of the stability, because of the security where you don't get. You don't be wife, everything don't say. Then meanwhile, you don't like another one now because of the adventure instinct. Maybe this one and nobody know. I don't hear this thing before, but I don't understand. Maybe Katim Day will explain. One person don't talk one day, say an adventure. Nobody say she be bad girl. Say she just won't see how he be. Sometimes, persuade they toast them. She go there with her guy and she go take the call. Just in case maybe in catch or in decode. But she not gonna make it catch or make it decode. Say an adventure. You just want to see how much he fit do. Where this guy no go catch him.
If you can't catch him, come.
And well, she never think out. She don't think and reach if they catch him. She just think say she go to full and she go and keep the phone. Can't deal with him. You know, you don't go off him, lock him, you go keep him till the thing fade. You go the guy say, make him look. Till the lights off. Now you see say that one now real. We need to open the boot.
Yes.
Commode the engine.
I agree.
Clean everything.
Oh yes.
So it happen.
Yes.
Now sometimes some other intelligent people don't turn onto one intelligent concept. Say, well, truth be say, I love my wife, but I just get small hobbies on the side. And this one is this one be the most rampant one. Say I get my wife, I get my husband, and then I just get small extra curriculum activity on the side. Say na hobby, I no love them, emotions not the inside. What people don't understand, we say, once you start that process, what you begin to do is you begin to increase your ability to be disloyal to the person you claim to love. You could just begin learn newer ways. After a while, you could become act.
Yeah.
So you could just do for routine. You could say, okay, well, you don't think I buy him something, I just buy him something. Nobody say for your heart, you mean say relationship day or anything that happen. And once it gets to that stage, now there we talk to person, don't they reprobate. For your mind, you don't go fit fully understand what they do you now. You don't go even fit settle down, day with one person. So number one, that insatiable thing go just enter. Number two, you go begin struggle with your own personal loyalty. Once you don't do them, you go begin suspect say everybody around you. Now so then be. Even the person where you say you love. Now this they happen initially count down to marriage. Most people at the counsel, when they don't want to marry and the man are happy Charlie and just everywhere, just before marriage, you go begin develop cold feet. Now cold feet just simply means say in no sure say all this attention where you won't give this girl. She na only am. She too go give all her attention. Sometimes with the lady too go say, the way this guy be, I don't forgive him 11 times as we date for 2 years.
I go take no.
How I sure say if I marry him now, you no go just use this one take lock me down, then come start real away match. So when we reach that, when we did that situation where we no trust ourselves, we go begin no trust anybody. And then you can't assume say everybody did the same. Now why sometimes I don't talk to people where no know how to be polite to people. Because they don't assume say everybody be like them.
Yes.
So then they naturally vulgar. And not be say them be bad boys. They just don't they used to the fact say because them they chop everywhere. They assume say so everybody be. So even when they see good girl, they don't know how to date decent. They don't know how to make normal conversation. So everything whether they talk, they derogatory, they flirtatious. They don't just know how to be civil people any longer. So now that time where their mind don't they completely messed up. So they don't trust themselves. They don't trust anybody else whether around them. So that's now situation number 2.
Wow.
Now situation number 3, you don't go can't want anybody at all. You go just want be freelance. So when you enter freelance, now when I cannot talk about all adult singles, they like that. But some people don't know how to be committed to one person any longer. Not because they don't want to be committed, but they don't believe everybody feel they committed to one person. Them themselves don't feel they committed to one person. So they go turn out to concept or argument. You know, we go begin to talk about how you expect me I deal with one person for the rest of my life. How you want me I deal with, you know, you say, if you think I'm now, how you go deal with one person for the rest of your life? Once these 3 things don't begin to happen consciously or subconsciously for your mind, it don't begin form behavior. And once that behavior begin form, that double dipping will just become way of life. And like joke, it don't become natural behavior today for our society. A lot of people don't they assume, say, na sports, dating na sports. Make I just date one person, what be that word where they like use? I don't think use that. So
wipe.
Whatever. So you do the
wiping.
You do it the way you want. So once that happens, we move on to the next one. It becomes a very unhealthy trend, and it begins to create system where more people know sabi trust themselves. Hence the situation where we dey now for society, where every young boy they ask questions, say how go no girl will love me. Every young girl they ask how go no guy will truly love me.
Okay, so if people they run this kind of program too much, you yourself you go confuse your mind.
See, the program self now subconsciously they run. So we don't start we just start with the conscious part. The subconscious part now when you dey relationship and your guy know they try, and then your friend go just call, greet you, say how you dey, you know, no mind my guy, and a good boy, just they try for him. You don't even know how. You go, this now Nedu and Kingsley. Suddenly now Nedu they date, but suddenly Kingsley go become more of your pally. Anything you want to tell Nedu, you go begin tell Kingsley. Kingsley go become middleman, and slowly but eventually you go cause trouble with this one. Or you go cause trouble with this one. Eventually, she go date. I don't see a situation where person don't break up with her boyfriend, begin date the boyfriend friend.
And the boyfriend friend.
That one they always happen, and that one they always happen.
No, now the boyfriend friend come follow him too.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know.
Easy. The way you talk this year.
No, I don't see him. You don't have
wait. The way Easy talk this year. You don't see him. Easy day like this. Yeah. Easy. Just talk to us there. Something there your mind.
No. I don't say it don't happen to my friends. You understand? So there be the dates before. So the 3 of them are my friends. The girl, the guy, and the other guy. So that they date before. So all of a sudden, they would just say our guy, don't they roll with our guy, babe. So now he was so straight. In your face, say, I don't know anybody explanation now. She like me now. She like me now with the dates now. So you got to tell the guy, say, if you get any issues, sort them out with her. Me and you don't get.
Are you serious?
Oh, no.
Yes, no. It happened, so.
So you just say, sort them out with...
So the main guy
and
the guy will begin date guy, babe, still be pals.
And even to today, the pal is not tight like before. Just they draggy. And unfortunately, the girl in question, I don't marry
another person.
You know.
So till today, now you can't cause that kind of problem.
Yeah, just there. This one no say this one this one no say
left hand. This on the left hand.
So this is true life story.
It happened to
not me,
somebody.
My friend.
You know, say you get one column that time for one magazine that time. It happened to me.
Okay. I remember that magazine. Not leave am. So it did happen. These are real life situations, and when we find ourselves in those situations, what we need to do, not to like waiting this show day for, not to create awareness. Say it day possible. Say you go they like, because some people now go say, you know, make sense. A person they immature, a person they foolish. Listen, make I even now jump into marriage. You feel they married, they happily married for your house, and then suddenly it just begin. Now like this the day before, it come play to, come the day like this. Suddenly you go reach office, and then one colleague go just become your good friend. And not be say you plan, say anything. Two of them go just begin gist, and she could understand you, or he could understand. You go nod when you need them to nod. You go laugh when you need them to laugh. When you reach house again, you go cold because your own partner did that play two stage. So two of them go just cold. You, for your mind, you can begin feel say, but now you I love you, and you know they even, they shake body, you know. As you did so, phone go ring. As you they look you, they think, phone go ring na onya for the hair. Say, honey, excuse me. You just enter room, go lie down. They gist, they laugh. Once madam or man enter again, say, I'll call you later. You go hang phone keep. And the house go come dey very moody. What don't happen, be say, you don't really begin double deep, you don't know. Because say you never sleep with person, don't mean say you never get interested in her. So the person don't take your emotional...
So the running program will start from your mind?
Now, 90% of program where they run. Now, you know what people love people they never see before? When I picture them, they see now. You know what people fall in love with person they see for computer screen. Even though all of us know say Photoshop, they do powerful things. When they see the person in real time, now in their hearts, they cut. He said, but this your belly don't be like this, Asiam. For computer.
You say you don't look well. The belly don't need it. Now you know, open your eye.
So, now mind did they happen. But usually, now when your emotions don't they in check, and now where they happen from. Sometimes, two things. One, if you're emotionally drained, or if you are emotionally hyper. Emotionally drained now when your guy, if you say other people relationship, when you don't make comparison, if you say other people relationships, they flex past your own. And then you go begin look for other things that go entertain you other than your own relationship. So when you come out, maybe Mama Kate, husband, they buy suya every day. So for your mind, you go come turn suya to me say, Mama Kate's husband.
Love him.
Pass the way your own husband love you. So you go begin look for who go buy you suya. Who go buy, and you know say that the thing where you did. Now I talk to that program where they run. You know say now you know something they do you.
You know where?
Because
no be jazz. No be jazz.
Because as they buy her suya, you don't know whether now this suya be the only good thing where they happen for that house. But because that's the one where you they see, you say now, wow, my sister.
You know they feel you. Wait, good. Walk up with. You know they see where your mates they buy suya give their wife. I bet more glass more chicken the break for you. One will come back. We go begin to take on our phone calls on top of the show. Will they come back? Will they discuss running two programs in brackets liking two people? Will they come back still on top of the next show?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.